Hi everyone and welcome. In this video we will talk about the best ways to compress and convert videos on your iPhone or iPad. Let's get started with compressing videos. First, download this app from the App Store. You will find all the links in the description below. Choose a file, then choose the size that you want to compress to. Let's choose 25 megabytes, which is the perfect size for sending videos via WhatsApp. You can see a review of the video quality before you can compress it. Now let's talk about converting. In this case, we will use the websites only. One for converting videos to MP3 and one for converting videos to videos, which different type of files. You will find all the links for websites in the description below. It's easy. You just choose a video from your library or from Files app, upload it, then convert it, then download the file using Safari app on iOS 13 or later. You will find all the files downloaded in your Files app, so now you can share, move to other apps. Easy, right? That's it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to support us. Peace.